Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully you all will be fine. Guys, in today's video, I have brought an amazing broker for all of you, and this broker is offering a $30 no deposit bonus in 2024. Let's get started guys, but before starting I would like to say watch this video complete, so that you can get your $30 no deposit bonus. SW Markets, welcome bonus, no deposit $30. Bonus summary, broker name, SW Markets. Available for new traders. Validity date, the 31st of December 2024. Bonus amount, $30. SW Markets no deposit bonus allows newbie traders to access the live trading world at no cost at all. The interested trader can experience real trading with the MetaTrader platform to initiate trades on Forex pairs. A total of $30 equivalent amount is credited to the trader's account when KYC verification passes. Forex welcome $30 United States dollars no deposit bonus. How to apply? 1. Very first, register an account with the broker. 2. Secondly, verify your personal details. 3. Lastly, get the $30 United States dollars bonus. Cash out. Yes, whatever profit you make you can withdraw. SW Markets no deposit welcome bonus. Terms. General terms and conditions apply. This offer may be terminated at any time without notice. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.